show me, because our speed limit a lot faster. Oh, he turning. I gotta pop it in the gear. Days later, folks. It's about 92 degrees out here. Scorching. Car scorching. The hole still scorching. And I thought about it. So I took this off. And I don't want to cut a hole in this yet. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this whole piece. I think I made a video of rinsing this stuff out. Well, it was nighttime and that's what I get. Because today, it's a different outcome. Way different. So with that being said, let me see if I can set it up for y'all to see, alright? Oh yeah, it definitely needed as much stuff as I poured out of here in the last couple hours. Oh, I don't know, I didn't even try to put no water through it. It was just so bad with the stuff that I was flowing through. You know what? I'm gonna get fresh after I get done with this car and I'm gonna hit the road. I got the child in there. She like to sleep all day and be up all night. I think I'm gonna leave her little fishtail today and go do something. We're gonna go do something. But let's make sure she can breathe first because it's warm out here. So yesterday, before both my batteries rudely interrupted, and I don't know how much y'all seen, but I spent about ladies and gentlemen, I might have found the culprit. The dumbest thing Chevy put on the car. If you don't know what this is, this is the air dam. This is what makes your car. This is actually what makes all the air. It directs the air to go into your radiator. So it's a very important piece that Chevy decides to put on your car with this little chinksy piece of metal. Now here's the problem. Not only am I looking at an impact mark right there and right there that clearly deformed the piece, it's so flimsy, I don't know how the piece was supposed to be shaped, but I can feel that the piece was not right, and the more I looked at it, the more I can tell it was not directing air right at all. So I have no idea how it's supposed to do. But what I'm gonna do is I'm about to take it apart, and I'm just gonna feel it straight. I can see a knot there. I can see deformity there. A lot of these places, so I figure, well, if I can at least straighten it out, maybe it'll form itself. Look, see the kink right there? This is dumb. I might even have to make this a thumbnail. Matter of fact. Let's go with some dumb shit. Be my first thumbnail I put some thought into, and y'all better like this. Matter of fact, I'm telling you, all you C5 owners, the car overheating and this work, y'all better at least give me a thumbs up, man. Like, seriously, I don't know what's up with YouTube and their algorithms. Maybe because I just, you know, I can get pretty. One thing I can do. But I just want to be like an average Joe. I don't need to be all special while I'm trying to reach some people that can't be reachable. Like, not everybody got Hellcats and brand new cars. Some of us gotta go to old used market. So I'm just like y'all. But if y'all want better, I'll give y'all better. Drop some stuff on y'all. Y'all better like these. Alright, let me figure this out, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll get with y'all in a minute. So I want y'all to look at this piece. Can you see how twisted it is? You know what? Let me see if I hold it here. Let's see if you can see how twisted. Now see. Now you can see that. Look at that. Let's see if you can get it. You can see the twist there. You can see the twist there, the twist there. I'm gonna find what best camera for center photography, because I thought the G7X. Look at that twist right there, just right there. And this is what saves your car knot. This is what directs the air through your radiator to keep your car to temperature. It was fused. Like, that's crazy. I've never seen that. The amount of bug guts. Thing about it is, I don't even get to know if that's the real culprit problem, because I didn't rearrange the system so much. You know what though? I'm about to pop this J on though. Example is why the sun's starting to come, and it's starting to come right where I gotta lay. So So I better do it before it heat up. So we'll get back. It's hot again. I'm ready to get in a different car. So we gonna finish this once and for all. Yeah, I see where I'm at. Yep, hair look crazy, but it's okay. Cause there's been so much other crap going on today. I did some things this week, and everything all on my darn files went. That sun kicking like kung fu. Ooh, too great. So the grill been done. Let's see if we can change some of this stuff. Okay, the grill. And if we look, side skirts all the way down to, what's that? It's a bird. It's a plane. It's, oh my. You know, this thing is not what I thought it was. It's starting to disappoint me. I don't know. I ain't about to play with this on y'all time. I keep wiping the lens and more crap keep going. Get my face. But let y'all get a little closer and get a taste of that Magnaflow with the side skeezies. Now you can see them on the side. She look good from